Let's talk about master affiliate profits in this review, where you can learn how to score big with this ecosystem. Meet Master Affiliate Profits, also known as MAP. My name is Charles Draven, and I want to share something big with you. This system, MAP, is changing how affiliate marketing works. MAP provides the tools, training, and resources to help you succeed. The system helps regular folks like us cash in with online marketing without the usual headaches. Yes, you can promote MAP itself as an affiliate. I want to talk a little bit about this because you could promote MAP and you could also promote other products through the ecosystem and other products outside of the ecosystem. The commission structure that's offered through MAP is extremely generous compared to most programs. You earn from direct referrals and when those people refer others. This creates multiple income streams from just one promotional effort. So a little bit more about this. Some people, they're still wondering how to make money online. I'll give you a simple formula. You have an offer, which is a product or service, and you send people to it that want to buy it. And when you send people to it, that process is called building traffic, sending traffic to your offer. And when you have people that want that offer, obviously there's going to be a percentage that actually buys it, and then that's when you make sales. So with MAP, you're referring people to the offer, and then that's how you make sales. What makes MAP special? Most affiliate systems take your leads and leave you hanging. MAP links your referrals to you for life, so you get paid every time they buy something. They also give Platinum members actual traffic to their pages, solving the biggest problem in affiliate marketing. The creators, Omar Martin, his wife Melinda Martin, and John Thornhill, they built this to help you score big. They had a 3-phase launch. MAP wasn't rushed to the market like most products. They first welcomed 200 backers who got lifetime platinum access. I was one of them. Next, they opened the members area in January 2024 to founding members only. Now, in phase 3, it's finally open to everyone, including you and me. Your leads stay yours forever. Have you ever sent someone to a program, some offer, only to have the company steal them? It's so common and totally unfair. With MAP, your referrals stay linked to you for life. No tricks or fine print. This simple promise helps you build wealth much faster than other programs. So a little bit more about what this means is that you promote an affiliate product and typically the business owner, the vendor, they take your leads and they promote other offers, other products or services, and then they earn commissions. That's not what MAP does. MAP will promote the offer and you will earn the commissions. So that is actually one huge reason why I joined MAP. Get paid over and over. Most affiliate programs pay you once and that's it. MAP pays you every time your referral buys something, whether that's today or years later, and this creates real ongoing income that grows over time. You can finally make bank while you sleep, eat, or play with your kids. Traffic is included for Platinum members. Finding people to buy stuff is the hardest part of affiliate marketing. As a Platinum member, you get traffic sent to your pages automatically. That's through their rotator. This saves you tons of time and money on ads or SEO. The traffic is targeted to people who actually want what you're selling. So keep in mind, you still have to build your business. I consider this as a bonus token for being a Platinum member. To disclose the full information here is that you get free traffic as a Platinum member, but keep in mind, this traffic is rotated across all Platinum members, so you're going to get a fraction of that traffic. Second-tier commissions. You don't just earn from your own referrals with MAP Platinum. When the people you refer bring in new members, you earn from that too. This creates a money-making snowball effect that can seriously multiply your income. Your business grows even when you're not working. And that's something that I've experienced time and time again. Being a MAP member, you bring in people that are wanting to grow their businesses online, and they will promote their MAP One link. And then as their business grows, it will help you out as well. So again, you can make money around the clock. Learn everything you need. The MAP training covers all you need to know from basic concepts to advanced strategies. It's organized step by step so you won't feel lost or confused. You'll learn how to pick profitable offers, get traffic, build email lists, and turn visitors into buyers. A real community. You're not alone with Map. The active community connects you with other marketers who share tips and help each other succeed. The creators run live coaching sessions and answer questions regularly. This support system helps you avoid common mistakes and rake in profits faster. All the tools you need. Map gives you everything required to start making commissions quickly. You get email templates, proven marketing materials, step-by-step guides. There's no guessing what to do next or wasting time creating the materials from scratch. Everything is ready for you to use today. You also get this material, stay current and fresh. What worked in marketing yesterday might not work tomorrow. Map keeps up with changes by adding new content and strategies regularly. You won't be stuck with outdated methods that don't work anymore. This ongoing update system helps you line your pockets year after year. Start from today. You can get started for free. Unlike most systems that charge up front, just go ahead and click on the link in my description and you'll be able to get a free Map account. This lets you check out the platform and even start earning commissions without risk. The Platinum level unlocks the most powerful features when you are ready. You can test drive before making any real commitment. Awesome bonus package. When you join Map, you get bonus resources that make success even faster. These include ready-to-use marketing templates, traffic strategies, and email sequences that convert. The bonuses alone are worth joining, helping you turn a profit right from the start. So I also want to tell you that Map, they provide their bonuses, they have their bonus package, but I'm offering my own exclusive bonus package. So I'm going to put the bonus link in my description if you want to learn more about it. So what that means is that if you join Map through my special affiliate link, you'll be able to grab my bonuses, especially when you upgrade to Platinum. Is Map right for you? Map works best for people willing to follow the training and take action. If you want a real business instead of a get-rich-quick scheme, this is for you. It's perfect for beginners who need guidance and for experienced marketers looking to hit the big time with better systems. The good and the not so good. Map has many strengths. Free starting option, built-in traffic for Platinum members, lifetime commissions, and great training. The Platinum membership does require an investment, and like any business, you do need to put in some effort. I'm kind of laughing at this because some people, they join and they think just by joining that they'll be able to make a fortune. That's not how it works. You have to put in some effort. Some beginners might feel a bit overwhelmed by all the training options at first, but just believe in me and believe in the system. Just go ahead and take the training, learn and do. And as you learn and do, you'll learn from your own experiences and improve upon that. And that's how you build a business online. How to get started today. Getting started with Map takes just a few simple steps. Create your free account, verify it. So what happens is that once you create your free account, you'll have to go to your email account and click on a link to verify it and explore the training. When ready, you can upgrade to Platinum to access the traffic system and much more. Then just follow the steps, put what you learn into action, and watch your results grow. Compare Map to others. Well, most affiliate programs, they don't provide traffic. They don't provide this rotator traffic that Map Platinum does. Many pay one-time commissions while Map pays for life. Keep that in mind. That is huge. Instead of just promoting a product and just doing this one-time funnel, you will get paid over and over again. When you bring your customers in to this ecosystem, there are a wide variety of products and training that people can upgrade to, and you can get commissions for life. And also, few offer second-tier commissions. This two-tier commission system is very special. Map Platinum offers this option. So this is huge. So what that means for Map Platinum members is that when other affiliates that you directly brought into the system, if they want to build a business, then you can get 25%. So that's huge. While others compete with their affiliates, Map partners with you for mutual success. You will learn how to build your list, build your business, and make money. To me, this is perfect for beginners. You don't need prior experience to succeed with MAP. The training starts with basic and builds up gradually. So you're never lost. MAP was designed with beginners in mind, with clear explanations, no confusing jargon. Anyone can follow this simple system to create passive income. How fast will you see results? Well, results depend on your actions and how well you follow the system. The good news is MAP provides everything needed to succeed faster than most programs. Many members start seeing commissions within their first few weeks. The traffic system helps speed up things dramatically. Real support when you need it. MAP offers multiple ways to get help when you need it. The community forum lets you ask questions anytime. Regular live coaching calls gives you direct access to expertise. The support team typically responds quick to your questions or problems you have. Let me just say again, this is a great system, but it's not perfect. It's pretty close. No system is perfect. You still need to put in some work with MAP, but having a proven roadmap. Keep in mind, the people that are providing the training have made multiple seven figures. John Thornhill especially, I've known him since 2006. And this system, it offers lifetime commissions and platinum. You get this platinum level rotator traffic where the traffic is spread across all platinum members and above. And two-tier commission tilts the odds heavily in your favor. The free entry option means you can explore without the risk of to see if it fits your goals. And all of this, you might have seen these other programs that have their own affiliate programs. But the thing is, I totally believe that MAP is extremely generous with their commissions and with the assistance they provide. And when you decide to go into Platinum, you could connect with the founders of the system very easily through their support community. And this is something that is not well seen in other programs. Other programs, you might communicate with some assistants or other people that are helping out. But with this system, you can communicate directly with the experts, these people that have building businesses for well over a decade, almost 2 decades now. So keep that in mind. That's what's being offered at this moment. So let me tell you the final verdict here. After thoroughly exploring Master Affiliate Profits, I believe it's one of the best opportunities in affiliate marketing today. The combination of training, traffic, and lifetime commissions solves the biggest problem most marketers face. The system is designed so that MAP only succeeds when you do, which is refreshingly different. Take action today. So if you're ready to see what MAP can do for your financial future, visit the MAP Syndicate link in my description to create your free account and upgrade to get my exclusive bonuses. That is my affiliate link. Start exploring the system that's changing how affiliate marketing works. And the sooner you begin, the sooner you can start building your own money-making venture that pays you for years to come. So that concludes this special video. Make sure that you grab your free account. All you have to do is go to my description and you'll also learn how to access my exclusive bonuses. This is Charles from mapsyndicate.com and also infospite.com. Thank you for watching this video.